All your work has a gender base. You are working with women in your photography. That's one of your agendas. So please tell us about this girl.
Yeah, so I was so happy to meet her, that there's this person who's so ambitious and hopeful about her future, and we started to talk and spend more time, and then suddenly she started to cry. I'm like, why are you crying? It's like, I want to go to college, but I cannot because I'm already engaged, and my future husband, he doesn't want me to go to college. And then I inquired more, and then I realized that person doesn't have the job. He's still, trying to find out what to do and all of that. But he has that power to decide the future of this girl. And the family is like, we cannot do anything, he would be deciding. So that is something which is a very common thing when I'm working in rural India. That's a very repetitive pattern, and I grew up in a very patriarchal state in Uttar Pradesh. All of these things I have seen around me all the time with my friends. When I was in school in class 12th, my friends were getting married, and that's the actual fear I have. I had this actual fear, if I'm not going to study enough or study hard, there's a possibility that I might also get married in class 12th. So when you grow up with this kind of environment, it's very normal, I think, to have this kind of inclination, if you call it feminism, or you call it the more empathy towards a particular gender, because things are very unfair.